President Mahama, once I'm a monu so you are as confused as your followers and as confused as Ghanaians who voted for you. On the womb so.
Because he say I mean who they are making edi. Say me John Mahama edi. Because John Mahama was making statements say politics there. Utu didn't throw kakra no aka no kra kakra. Into no kra minim so this time we there. E no kra and anya no kra. Because governor say they don't interfere.
And His Excellency the President John Mahama abedi tro. In fact, wabetwa tro atra Ghana for amanason ayeshe concern the issue of borrowing. Bosia yeje bosia borrowing. Mahama abedi tro afa ho amanason ayeshe beka wan so na face no. Concern the issue of CD as and seminal. Also, Mahama having the first encounter with the media. Or address in Simbi, Ama, NPP Secretary, Abe clash with Mahama Pa, ISPOZ Bank of Ghana. In addition to that, if you don't come on, not Amame, our comment session. I have Penyah block media. Let's watch any demo. Over like if you don't know that I'm a subscribe button, some back notification and latest updates. Now back to the wide and the Amame, our comment session. Let's also about one watch it for so and be assured. Ain't about 4 days ago, Anna Mahama, His Excellency the President, John Mahama, under the 9th Parliament in the 4th Republic, or having the first encounter with the media after assuming office as a president for Ghana. Now, Mahama bro send me to now so honor. Now, do you know something? Me Mahama any problem. Me Mahama any problem. I have problem with the media personalities that Omuko share Mahama honor. Because Debia Oma no din Ometro mu show so a aso mu ni munyansa se Ghana fo nyina. Omo those kind of their stupid analysis. Omo claim say a sensible analysis. Their stupid and their foolish analysis go make them cause their show so be aso mu ni munyansa Ghana fo nyina. And Nama committee a whole president might make musa question. And you know something? His Excellency the President was able to stand in front of the public, in front of the whole media, and say, Ghana has survived 8 months in office under his government without borrowing.
Happy with the outcomes of the reforms that we have been implementing in the economy. And we have survived without going to the capital markets. We've survived without borrowing. Who could have thought some years ago that Ghana's economy could be run without going to the external market to borrow? And yet, we've survived. And so we shouldn't be in a hurry to go back to the capital market. All we've done is to reorder our expenditure and push funds to areas that are of priority. And so that's all we've done. Fiscal discipline, not spending money on wasteful, political interventions and all that. And that is already showing the successes in the market. I mean, we've gone from negative 3.4% on the primary balance to positive 1.1 as at now. And by the end of the year, we'll achieve the target. I'm sure we'll overachieve the target of positive 1.5. And so it's all about discipline in expenditure. And so for me, as the president, I would not favor a quick return to the international capital market. I think we should go like this for a while and consolidate the economy before we look at external financing.
Join News for more than a useless media agency. Join News more than a useless media agency because once a more than them as a more propaganda be just to support the government of Mahama. I said you are in bed with NDC trying to get Mahama and NDC a very good name because recently I'm updating Ghana economy. I'm say Ghana economy no. Enyini by 6.3%. No matter target that is the biggest growth since 2019. Meanwhile, in 2024, the last quarter of 2024, Joy News man and Mosa report is a Ghana economy enyini by 7.2%. That was even the last quarter of 2024. The third quarter of 2024, man and report here say Ghana economy enyini by 7.2%. And a year then 6.3%. No, over catches the biggest growth since 2019. Meanwhile, in 2024, at the second quarter, the economy grew by 7.4%, and the third quarter it grew by 7.2%. Mudim kwasia the join is for Munyai Jimeno. Stop the foolishness, stop the nonsense. Munya ejimi no. Na join is for obekai enche bia less than a month. Ana join for ya edit update ebaye. Obema update, obi update Ghana for on a car de. NPP Free Ghana konya so. Na Ghana yeka eda $49 billion. Na Ghana yeka eda $49 billion as of December 2024. Na Ghana yeka eda $49 billion. As of June 2025, Ghana yeka na akodru $59 billion. Just say just 6 months. Yeri Mahama tena kunya so just 6 months in office. Now we borrow $10 billion. Emma joy news for kra no ye free July mu be August mu ana mo be update Ghana for say Ghana say ayeka no a movie from $49 billion I go through $59 billion enti e ba ne say ana mutimi tena ho din Emma is excellency church elder for Christ's sake church elder etimi gina monim e can say Ghana has survived without borrowing. No opinions me musa question. Media from John Mahama nyina bow down your head in shame. Mo ye nim guasefo mo mpe Ghana nkoso. Mo mpe Ghana yeye. Mo ye nim guasefo. You are ashamed to Ghana journalism. Mo ye nim guasefo. You were there. Someone was able to lie blatantly, a blatant liar. Confident liar. A confident liar. Someone who lies without blinking. O chatra omoneni asori penyini Assemblies of God asori penyini or your confident liar was able to stand in front of you to say Ghana has survived without borrowing and you join this you know say wababa bosia $10 billion and you were just sitting idle watching him say udanya or samena say udanya this samena to them mo ebebo matem that was obekai yero matena kunya so ana as of 10th January and the Bank of Ghana $2.8 billion egu Ghana economy no go be so much dollar goes na omo ye dollar who did that campaign opposition omo ye dollar who did that na omo be so fa kwan bi aso ade $2 into Bank of Ghana ebe mu the central bank ebe mu inject $2.8 billion ebe economy no mu enya no nko a March mu as of March ana gold board start here it was about $2 gum every week bi and every week na gold board ede $250 million ekomu tugu economy just to support the strength of the city. Oda say enya no nko a memu Bank of Ghana eto $490 million egu economy ni mo ema even July 15th July Bank of Ghana esa to $1.4 billion egu economy ni mo ni nyina na say ma city no nya hoden ema dollar e ba from enumu ana IMF e won Bank of Ghana say there be Bank of Ghana enya say wa intervene city to dollar trade no onya so din hwawura mu no the intervention onya already draw emu ana Bank of Ghana governor ebe ya press conference say munyai masa me mfa ye Bank of Ghana ye ngura city ye ngura economy ni mo we've not intervened into eye niema pa ye de gu akwam na ye adwuma anya say we've not intervened.
Our city has appreciated by 24.1% against the US dollar on year-to-date terms. Now, colleagues, let me emphasize that the central bank is not, and the not is in capital letters. The central bank is not using its international reserves to support the city, nor are we engineering an appreciation in the city that will not be sustainable. It's all market-driven, and the strengthening of the currency reflects a blend of disciplined monetary policy, tailored foreign forex auction reforms, enhanced remittance channels, and stricter market surveillance. These are not mere short-term interventions.
When I say Bank of Ghana be deny that argument, they say, "Oh my interfere, they've interfered." Oga so they go omu interfere nemu nema pom da go akwam ema even kwa no atofo ya say dollar dey back from the nema pom dey go akwam ne share pa.
Till they started, they'll appreciate also you 1 week after the following week or bet too free. What are we saying? The city is still stable. The city is still stable. Whatever you are seeing, Adibiara, Ihubia, the only Siwa by no moon. oyen hyehyɛ papa President Mahama na ban NDC aban ya tena se ya hyehyɛ ya da atutu yi ni ye
Mahama says because because a gold board na ana aboma sirenya hoden against the dollar board eba from recently ana Mahama ekoye committee the media na hono ana Mahama go to mo say oh sidia na eba from no na Bank of Ghana ana interfere ye.
Very steep appreciation in the value of the cedi in response to the reforms that we were carrying out. And for those of you who listened to me, there was one occasion where I said, people were asking whether it will go below 10. And I said, it is dropping, but it will find its true value. It was undervalued at 16, and it probably is overvalued at 10. But somewhere between there, we have the real value of the cedi. And so I believe that it is about stopping rapid depreciation of the currency. Almost every currency would realize either depreciation or appreciation in the course of a year. But when you have steep depreciation of about, like we had in 2024, 25% depreciation in the currency in the first half of the year, it makes planning difficult. And so, yes, Bank of Ghana has been intervening in the forex market, but they've withdrawn. And what happened was that because of the rapid appreciation in the value of the cedi, we saw an exponential increase in imports, because then people could buy cheaper dollars and so they could import more, which is a natural economic phenomenon. But on the other side, exporters are not happy because they get less cedis for what they export. And so every country tries to find out a balance where exporters are able to do good business and importers are not overburdened by high forex rates. Where that lies, I don't know. I'm not a central bank. But the cedi is making an adjustment, and I believe that it will settle at a certain rate, and we will make sure that any depreciation that occurs in the value of the cedi is within a margin of about 5% per annum. That is what we target. And so for now, there's still speculation. It's also coincided with a period where we saw a reduction of 50% in remittances, because citizens in the diaspora were taken aback by the rapid appreciation of the cedi. And so if somebody was building a house, if he was going to send $100,000, it meant that he was losing a certain percentage of that 100,000. And most of them would decide to adopt a wait-and-see attitude and say, oh, no, as for cedi, it's not possible that the cedi can regain its value to that extent. By all means, it will go up again. So I'll hold back my remittance until the cedi goes back up. So we saw a 50% reduction. But there were also some other factors. There were some money transfer companies that were collecting cedis abroad and not repatriating collecting dollars abroad and not repatriating the dollars. There were other which we're investigating. There were other cases where people applied through the commercial bank.
Bank of Ghana interfere. Meanwhile, time one man for alleged say Bank of Ghana has interfered. They came to deny it. Even Bank of Ghana himself came out to deny. If I want for that question, say, "Any na Mahama pa be chirima chire ye say am yati ase." Say Bank of Ghana can say we interfere. Mahama will see Bank of Ghana interfere. The Bank of Ghana have withdrawn from the economy. It's now no why na air kind of cray. NPP Secretary. I will say Mahama question.
I said the thing say, who said cedi no ever former. And I think yesterday, John Mahama acknowledged it. Say cedi no ever forms artificially now. We share remittances. That is Ghana for our omo brochia. Omo money sika no. Omo money sika say yemfa nye djuma wa ha mo. Nti first omo $100,000 ah. Ejuma ebetumi aye 1.5 million Ghana cedis worth of ejuma. And on the $100,000 bar, it may year 1.1 ejuma. Sano obe kipu ni sika. Nti remittances within this short time, it reduced by 50%. Remittances and also na bar it to shore up the currency. So never channel. I think say yes, having realized it omojai interference. Say no credit because it's I mean who they making edi. Say me John Mahama dio. Because John Mahama I make statement say politics there. Utumi di ntro kakra no aka no kra kakra. Into no kra minim say this time we there. E no kra and anya no kra. Because governor they say they don't interfere. John Mahama say they interfere. This is anything. And no create credibility problems for the government. And the effect, influences speculation. But yeah, obi person didn't see about or chance mean kakra na 3 months, 4 months, and also
investor confidence to cry.
Ever form. So never change. And I believe say some put two or more art together. Now the year can be 1D1FI was to also help. Now your reliance on imports I don't know to what extent they want to do that. I'm saying,
but on 1D1.
That's because we shall towards 2024 quarter baby. I was saying more waivers now for 1D1. And this is for Jeremiah. It's in many of these programs, about standstill. Because some waivers, na can reduce almost costs, no year way now. Almost we are competing fairly with other competitors from outside. It's a major issue, I believe. Say, almost to me and say and sheni ye. Na propaganda say ebedu baby no ubehu se bejin sem. Ebedu baby no ubehu se. As for managing the economy there, you can lie. As we speak now, contractors say di omoka, that's so di omoka. Major projects are was buying ye almost so home. They could do some major projects. Because so near Satia to say the omoka big pushy. A started coso, normal started to contractors car, a honey be who your real size as a country. And it is being seen clearly. A friend say intake to training colleges now. By half.
I will forbid him class BC cry. I'm saying crying results on cry.
By half. Just because Yesika entry allowances no. They are even contemplating free SHS because AD Sika more. Now there's no alternative to educating your own people. And no na Edin said then President Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo right from 2017 yes sustaining to say ifi abemo.
Ebusian patch of idea also. See the dollar and the pounds enya rings a chen who say boat betiano. Hey, Emifa, meow, NDC, it de be ke. Ghana politics, Yanaja, Edibia Syria. Say, you're John Mahama, Ghana man penny, or Wabontian Becassa, or say, or no our share Bank of Ghana Seja, or move over about $4 billion in Remu, and my dollar and from Celebrate your Virgin Samba. But and I'm say I am for sorry at the piano museum council, no more pressure say, the more yen and your good idea about the economy. No, it's munya you, it's Namsan, or no Sunny Bank of Ghana Casa, I'm the Bank of Ghana say, is it the withdraw or intervention or modi put in place and masters can buy from within that 2-3 months. No. It's Mino Casani dear, Nkuta Jenny, was so more than surgeon to a gym. Into expect say a year, dollar, pounds, euro, no, a fin never costo, a balance answer, a bemanema boy. Ahometisa abase but ye penny for no, or mu you be a subsebino, or moon pay choir, your first way 2 problem I say, the beyond say almost so no, or massage problem no, where sana, more or man for no, what I say, that's the problem I Ghana you facing. By now, or send can be a good crop price acosto. Or send a cocoa price acosto, because we dollar rates now, and yadikato, maybe a druno. Check is here, or more Ghana, a per dollar, a decofani man, Omunyebi. Bank of Ghana, the rates are back as Oka Unyebi. I guess I got ton abochi wo. See abochi and no I'm afraid to do. Abochi for ton dollar 14.87. 14.87. Ah? Oh yes, sir. Had you be na the idea as it be a Ghana for yasof no ebe boy empire boom send as usual no. And yes, sir, by December, send Musa Nankwa can say you expect pounds 23 Ghana cedis, na expect dollar 18 Ghana cedis no. Sir ne be because and when me kwa no na 17.85. Me ti be any screenshot and the pay check here say 17.66 pounds oh. Within just 1 month, you know, scan a
President Mahama, once I'm a mono, so you are as confused as your followers and as confused as Ghanaians who voted for you. On the womb, so Sunday, Ghana for any son, Sana Becca can a bet to any son. Now, some of Becca for $1. No, what were you trying to say? Because a man to us, you said nothing. One I'll buy it, and I say dollar no will be between 10 and 12. So why are you talking about 16 now? Because you say one who said dollar not cost. Don't forget, say NPP left office, leaving the dollar at 14.75 cedis. If you cannot come and tell us 16, between 10 and 16, why can't you be specific? Be specific for once, be honest for once, be truthful to yourself and to Ghanaians for once. Why are you always flip-flopping? President Mahama, why can't you be consistent for once? But I hate inconsistency. So, me who you be not say you are not consistent. Because consistency is beautiful. It is attractive. I didn't know who so I be catch say who so. You better was somehow, not just say ya more time say put things in place. I remember you also when I the second or third Jesus, you are the Messiah, now Baba rescue your cities, and now Baba can't stories actually. Would be able blame would be blame importers. Importers in scam when you build as a son of Moko for monument. It's not even in the banks. So what are you talking about? Say no, you need time for jokes. We don't have time for talk soon. We want action. Fix the country and stop complaining. Is it too much to ask? I know mama memo is so difficult. Say more position. You thought I said it was so easy. Na 9 people before so. Instead they are just to say a memo no easy. So don't come and make things difficult for us. He said everybody is complaining. Say me share that phone. How markets are going. They just to get information to know what's going on in the country. People are complaining. Young tired yet. Most at the ten but yes can fan top. So what is the sense? Then be uncle for say a good father pencil can scan was Surana Yasotonoma. Still no munyes scattered. So what is going on, President Mahama? We are getting fed up, we are getting tired. Do something and stop complaining. Because I'm for a massive brand never complaining trying. Also bet to me and I do about so my dear, do it. And let's all be happy. Now the whole church there and Tasumu. The President Mahama, yes, sir, say you dollar no set 12 cedis. Make sure it doesn't exceed. Maninka 12 cedis why what say Ato is forcing there. Let Ato continue to force. Because they say there Tlako 15 a diayo. A codrusa with 16 hour cana. And then you don't smoke codrusa. A diayo into the mind dear. Fix a maningina 1 year who say NPP didn't perform and you came to perform. As some neighbor better so there. And then a jadi be because we mean business. We are not here for jokes. We are very serious. And if you know what is good for you, what the propaganda to me. If you know what is coming, and kawanka sabe fix it. Okay, enough is enough. And the words were wise. It's enough, my dears. Me patro fans about plus and so. Na fans about command so. Me das.
Chirawadwe mama ewo comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.